Good morning to one and all present here. Children, since we have finished our lesson number 7, metals and non-metals, so now it is the time to discuss the exercise that is present at the end of the lesson. So children, let's begin. Question number 1. Complete the table. Here we have two columns, property of metals and use in everyday life. First, ductility in electric wires, cable wires, etc. Second, malleability, aluminium foil. Third, conduction of heat, cooking wares, microwave, electric press, straightening machine. Fourth, conduction of electricity, bulb, tube light, lamp, refrigerator, television. Fifth, sonority, school bells, doorbells. Question number 2. Identify the odd term. A. Gold, silver, iron, diamond. Answer is iron is the odd one out because iron is non-lustrous in nature and others are lustrous. B. Ductility, brittleness, sonority, malleability. Brittleness is the odd one out because it is the property of non-metal and rest are the properties of metals. C. Carbon, bromine, sulfur, phosphorus. Bromine is the odd one out because it is liquid non-metal and others are solid non-metals. D. Brass, bronze, iron, steel. Answer is iron is the odd one out because it is not an alloy and others are alloy. Question number 3. Give scientific reason. A. The stainless steel vessels in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom. Answer. The stainless steel vessels in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom because copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Copper gets heated up faster. Got it, children? Let's see the next one. Copper and brass vessels are cleaned with lemon. Copper vessels get tarnished due to corrosion of copper metal. It forms a layer of copper oxide, which is basic in nature. When lemon juice, which contains citric acid, is added to it, neutralization reaction takes place. Thus, the vessel gets cleaned. The next one. Sodium is kept in kerosene. Sodium metal is kept in kerosene because sodium is very reactive metal. It is kept in kerosene to prevent it from coming in contact with oxygen and moisture. If this happens, it will react with the moisture present in the air and form sodium hydroxide. The hydrogen released catches fire in the presence of fire. Oxygen. Got it? Question number 4. Answer the following. A. What is done to prevent corrosion of metals? To prevent corrosion of metals, layer of oil, grease, varnish and paints are applied on metal. Also, electroplating with another non-corroding metal is done on some metals. What are the metals that make alloys, brass and bronze? Brass is an alloy of metal, copper and zinc. The alloy bronze is formed from copper and tin. So this is the answer for this question. Let's see the next. What are the adverse effects of corrosion? Loss of efficiency of the metallic equipment, contamination of product, inability to use metallic material, loss of valuable materials by blockage of pipes and mechanical damage of underground water pipes. What are the uses of noble metals? Gold, silver, and platinum are used to prepare ornaments. Silver is used in medicines. Gold and silver are used to make medals. Gold and silver also used to make few electronic devices. Platinum, palladium metals are used as catalysts in various chemical reactions. Question number 5. 3 experiments to study the process of rusting are given below. Observe the 3 test tubes and answer the following question. Just observe the figure carefully. Why the nails in the test tube is not rusted? Iron and steel rust when they come in contact with water and oxygen. Both water and oxygen are needed for rusting to occur. In test tube 2, due to oil layer, the nail is not in contact with air at all. Thus, it is not rusted. B. Why is the nail in the test tube 1 is rusted highly? The nail in the test tube 1 is in contact with water as well as air. Both water and oxygen in the air is needed for rusting to occur. Hence, it is rusted highly. C. What would the nail in the test tube 3 get rusted? Calcium chloride is drying agent. It will absorb all the moisture present in the air of the test tube. Thus, the nail present in the test tube 3 does not rust at all. With this, children, we come to an end of lesson number 7, metals and non-metals. I hope everyone has understood the lesson with the explanation of all the notes. See you in the next lecture with a new lesson. Till then, thank you. Take care.